So hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Yaari is an online shopping application. You can find cheap products and best deals on this app. So if you are living in the city, you will get the products so quickly. So you can see 9 to 99 rupees store. If you click on it, you will see so many products are available. Um for example, I'm choosing this one. If you share this to your friends, you will get also profit. So I'm entering profit here 10 rupees. You can see the final price is showing 29 rupees. If I enter 100 rupees here, you can see the final price showing here. So I purchased the earphones. So I got the earphones. It is a genuine app, but I got white earphones instead of black earphones, guys. So you can see the delivery was successfully done on December 27, 2021, guys. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. And also I'm attaching the unboxing video, guys. I mean, check out the video attachment. Okay, thank you for watching.